This video will complement other detailed information provided in FLOE's written assembly instructions and owner's manual. The boat lift step installation will take approximately 10 minutes, with one person. In order to do this assembly, you will need the following tools. Your lift step comes pre-assembled. To begin the installation, loosen, but do not remove the two button head bolts at both ends of the step. Loosen only until they no longer protrude into the clamps, as shown. Also loosen, but do not remove the two nylock nuts. Loosen just enough so the inner supports can be moved in the tube. Align the step on your boat lift's V-brace, and adjust the inner supports to reach your desired height. Do not extend the inner supports more than 16 inches past the end of the outer support tube. Doing so will decrease structural integrity and cause potential injury. When desired height is reached, tap with a rubber mallet to ensure the end clamps are fully seated. Torque both nylock nuts on the outer clamp to 40 foot-pounds. Then torque both button head bolts at the end clamps to 5 foot-pounds.